Well, I don't think that we are at a disadvantage. For one, in most of, well, in the global arena, we are actually being regarded as one of the most, well, we have a lot of knowledge workers
Mm,
in the first place. Right? Our BPOs are thriving, and that's because we are able to service a lot of the requirements of other countries because we generally have an intelligent workforce and a very skilled workforce when it comes to technology.
mm,
But I guess what you're saying is in those other companies that we are seeing, for example, you mentioned about dark factories. The important thing for employees to understand is that it's not that AI will replace them, it's that those who are able to embrace the technology faster
mm,
and with purpose would be the ones that would replace them, right? Okay.
mm.
Because we still would be needing people.